Okay, what you doing?
We're doing the thing that Emmy and Max do when they go to Dragonland.
Okay. What's your name?
Emmy and Max. Emmy and Max.
What is your name?
Cooper.
Who's this?
Maggie.
Alrighty. Do your thing. Do your thing.
I wish you'd run. Flowers are
Say it slow. Nobody can understand you.
I wish you'd run.
Okay, you do it now, Maggie. Alright. Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle for me?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how we mighty Let me do it now.
Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.